This right here is my new favorite dip, and I cannot wait to show you. If you love pickles, if you love fried pickles, if you love dips, this fried pickle dip is the dip for you. And it's summer is around the corner, and I can just picture this with a bowl of chips. It can be Ruffles, it can be tortilla chips, whatever your heart desires, and it's so good and so easy. Starts off with a couple of very finely sliced scallions. You can also use chives, but I find scallions to have a much longer shelf life in the fridge, so I always have them on hand. You're going to go ahead and give these a really, really fine chop. Then you're going to add some dill. This is really important. I will have the entire recipe written for you in the description, by the way. And I also, of course, will be using lots of pickles. Now, for me, personally, they have to be refrigerated dill pickles. Those are my favorite. I use the Grillo's brand, and I actually like to use these sandwich sliced ones. I find them to be a little bit easier to chop up without basically turning them into mush. And then you're going to set that all aside. In a bowl, I'm going to add mayo, sour cream, and I'm going to grate in 1 clove of garlic. Once you have that done, add in all of your chopped pickles, your scallions, your dill, and I also chopped up some fresh parsley. Add that right in, along with a really good healthy pinch of salt. Not too much salt though, because pickles can be quite salty. Give everything a really good stir until well combined, and then you want to set this aside. And I just want to remind you that these videos are in addition to my regular content, not in place of. And if you know me, you know that summertime is my Super Bowl. I love cooking in the summer, so be prepared for tons and tons of videos with regular style and this version as well. Then we're going to make a crispy breadcrumb topping, because this is what's going to give you that crispiness from a crispy fried pickle. I just took a little bit of olive oil. This is a really small skillet, so it looks like it's more than it really is. It's 2 tablespoons of olive oil to about half a cup or so of breadcrumbs. You can also use Panko breadcrumbs. That would actually even be better. I just don't have any on hand, and I use regular breadcrumbs all the time. And you cook it all together a few minutes until they're crispy, and you want to make sure that they cool completely before you top your dip with it. And then just top your dip with the fried crispy breadcrumbs. I like to top it with a little bit more of of diced pickles, a little more dill, and that's pretty much it. It's so delicious, and you can make this in advance. Just make sure you store the breadcrumbs separately on the counter and not in the fridge, so that they don't go soggy, and you can assemble it last minute to enjoy with friends and family outside with a cold drink. Life's good. Happiness is here. I'm so excited for summer and sharing so many good things with you. And this dip is just sensational. Hope you enjoy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.